Good evening. Good evening. Comments me. Please comments me who are available here. Okay, hello sir, hello. Okay. Okay. Now I discuss the percentage. Okay. The percentage. Okay. The percentage. Now, okay, start. Okay. Please share to all your friends. First share to all your friends. Okay. Okay. Directly I discuss the problems. Okay. Then I discuss the basics of the problems. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, please. The question is first problem. 80% of A equal to 50% of B, and B is X% of A. Okay, it is given that 80% of A equal 50% of B, and B is X% of A. Then find the value of X. Then find the value of X. Okay, then find the value of X. Okay, option is A 400, B 300, C 160, and D 150. Okay, comment me which one is correct answer. If 80% of A equal 50% of B and B equal X% of A, then find the value of X. Only 30 seconds. Okay, comments your answer. 160. Okay, 160. Okay, thanks. See how to solve it. 80% of A equal 50% of B, and B equal, this can be written 80 of A equal 50 of B. Then percentage sign is cancelled on both sides. And this B can be written X% of, X% means X by 100, and this is A. Okay, B equal X% of A. So we can write X by 100 into A in the place of a B. Okay, Then in both sides 8 a is cancelled. Now this is x equal 80 into 100 by 50, and 50 is cancelled by 2. This is 160. Okay, any doubt? Okay, next question. X is 80% of y. Then what is the percent of x equal y? What is the percent of percentage of x equal y? Okay, if x is 80% of y, what percent of x is y? Okay, now a equal 75%, b equal 80%, c equal 100%, and d equal 125%. Okay, d equal 80. Eighty percent. Yes, sorry. X equal 80% of y. X is 80% of y. Then what is the percent of x equal y? Okay, here x equal 80% of y. Okay, then y by x equal 100 by 8. Okay, y by x equal 100 by x. Okay, then here then 10 is cancelled and 10 by 8. Now we multiply 125 and divided by 125. Okay, then it becomes 1250 by 1000, and 10 can cancel, that is 125 by 100, that means 125%. Okay, now next question. %% of x equal to 4% of y. Okay, 80% of x equal 4% of y, then 20% of x, then 20% of x equal what percent of y? What percent of y? Okay, if 80% of x equal 4% of y, then 20% of x equal what percent of y? Okay, then option is 20, B 120, C 480, D 720. Okay, yes, sir, you make it long. Give your answer. Ten. Okay. See how to solve. This 80% of x equal 4% of y. Then 4% of x equal 2% of y. Okay. Then this is 5 times. Then here this is also 5 times. This makes 10% of y. Okay. Is it short or long? Long. Is it short or long? Comment first. Short. Okay. Then next. If x is less than y by 25%, x is less than by 25%, then y. If x is less than y by x is less than y by 25%. Okay, then y is more than x. What percent of x? What percentage of x? Okay. If x is less than y by 25%, then y is more than x by what percent? Option is 33, 1 by 3, and 25%, and 75%, and 66, 2 by 3%. Okay. Okay, comment first. Option wrong. Option wrong. Okay. See, x is less than by 25%. 25% means 1 by 4. If x is less than by 25%, then x by y equal 3 by 4. Okay. Any doubt? 25% means 1 by 4. The question is x is less than by 25% means x by y equal 3 by 4. Any doubt? Then y is more than x by 1 unity. Okay, then this is the answer. 1 by 3 means 33, 1 by 3%. Okay, y is 1 more than x. Okay, then 1 by 3 equal 33, 1 by 3%. Is it wrong or is it wrong? Sir, yes. Okay, okay, thanks. Is it long process or short process? It's right. Okay. Okay then. Clearly visible and audible. Comments me. Is it clearly visible? Yes, okay. Then the question is, if P% of a P is, if P% of a P equal 36, okay, P% of P equal 36, then find the value of a P, then find the value of a P. Okay, option is 3600 and 600 and only 60 and then 15. Okay, okay, 60. Okay, thanks. Then P% of P means P by 100 into P equal 36. Then P square equal 36,000. So 100. P equal 60. Okay. Okay. Welcome, Mamta. Welcome. Audible with visual. Okay. Now, 2 is what percent of 50? 2 is what percent of 50? Okay. 2 is what percent of 50? Comments. Give your answer. 4. Okay. 2 is what percent of 50? 2 units, that is 50. Then 4 units, that is 100. That means that is 4%. Okay. Now, %% of n is same as 20% of n. 10% of n equal 20% of n. Then find m by n. Okay, then find m by n. Quick. Change the pattern. Okay. Twist 1. Okay, twist 1. This is m by n. This is 20 by 10. This is 2 by 1. 5 by 4. Okay, then next question. 5 by 4 is expressed in as percentage. What percentage? Okay, 5 by 4 is expressed as what percent of? 125%. Okay. Then 0.15% of 0.15% of 33 1/3% of 10,000 is what? Okay. Quick. Give your answer. 5,000. 0.15%. 0.15%. 500. Okay. Let's see. This 0.15% means 15 by 10,000. Okay. Then 33 1/3% means only 1/3. Okay. Then of 10,000. this 10,000 and this 10,000 is cancelled. This is 3 is cancelled, only 5. Then 5, only 5. Okay, this is 0.15. Sorry, sir. Okay. Doubt? Any doubt? 0.5,000. How 5,000? This is 0.15%. 0.15% means 15 by 100 and percentage. Now this becomes 15 by 10,000. Okay. How 5,000 or 500? Okay, 5. Okay. Then next. %30% of x equals 72. Simply question. 30% of 72 equal x. Then x equal what? Quick, Mamta ji. $24.4. 30% of x, sorry, 30% of 72 equal x, then x equal okay. 30% means 3 by 10 into 72. Then 3 into 72 means 6 and 3 7 21 by 10. This is 21.6. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? This is 21.6. Oh. Okay. Now, %15 of a plus b equal 25% of a minus b. Okay. 15% of a plus b equal 25% of a minus b. Then what percent of a b is equal to what percent of a b? What percent of a b is equal to a? Okay. What percent of a b equal to a? Option is 10, 60, 10%, 60%, 400%, 200%. Okay, 15% of a plus b equal 25% of a minus b. Then what percent of a b equal a? No doubt. 400. Okay. How to solve? Then 15% of a plus b equal 25% a minus b. Then percentage cancelled. Then 5 is cancelled. This is 3 and this is 5. Then this can be written 3a plus 3b and this is 5a minus 5b. Okay. Then 2a equal 80b. Then a equal 4b. This means 400%. Okay. Also you can write A by B equal 4 by 1. This means B is 4% of a B equal A. Okay. Then next, twenty percent of 25% of 300. 20% of 25% of 300. Quick. Quick. 20% of 25% of 300. 15. Okay. 20% means 1 by 5 and 25% means 1 by 4 and this is 300. Then 5 into 4, 20. 20 means this is 15. Okay. Then x percent of 25 by 2 is 150. Then the value of x is what? X percent of 25 by 2 equal to 150. Then find the value of x. Quick. $1200. Okay. Then x equal, then 25, this is only 6, then x equal 6 into 2 into 100, this means 1200. Okay. Then next question, 80% of which number is equal to 12% of 75? Okay. 80% of which number? 80% of x equal to 12% of 75. 12% of 75. Okay. 18% of x equal 12% of 75. Then find the value of x. $50. Okay. Then this is 3x equal 2 into 75. And now this 3 is cancelled with 25. Then x equal 50. Okay. Then if the income of Ram is 12.5% more than that of Shyam, the income of Ram is 12.5%, sorry,